The 24-hour nationwide general strike imposed by trade unions is underway. Banking, transport and other services across the nation are affected by the ban. However, the general strike is not affecting normal life in Manipur so far. Hundreds of students under the aegis of Mizoram's apex student organization, the Mizo Zilai Paul, staged demonstration at Lamjingbatomtv airport in Aizawl and waved black flags at Mizoram's lone Lok Sabha MP C. Lalrosanga as he arrived in the airport last afternoon. As per media reports, Lalrosanga has come under severe attack from the student body and opposition parties for allegedly voting in favor of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha in December last. Protesters holding banners and posters blocked rail tracks in Bengal this morning and raised slogans against the central government as the 24-hour nationwide strike called by 10 trade unions began at 6 a.m. today. According to media reports, transport services were also affected in parts of Orissa. Around 25 crore workers are expected to participate in the protest called by the Center of Indian Trade Unions against labor policies of the central government. Iran launched more than a dozen ballistic missiles against multiple bases housing US troops in Iraq last night, according to reports. It was not immediately clear if any US service members were hurt in the strikes. A natural 4.9 magnitude earthquake struck Iran near the Basir nuclear plant today, reports said, as tension in the Middle East soared following Iranian missile strikes on Iraqi bases housing US troops. The United States Geological Survey said the earthquake struck 10 kilometers southeast of Borajan, Iran, and at a depth of 10 kilometers.